Kids, which colors make light blue? 3,
2, 1.
correct. Blue and white make light blue. Kids, which colors make pink? Correct. Red and white make pink.
Kids, which colors make peach? Correct. Red, yellow, and white make peach.
Kids, which colors make gray? Correct.
Black and white make gray.
Black and white make gray. Kids, which colors make brown? Get ready. Correct. Red, yellow, and blue make brown. Okay, kids, enough for today. We will meet soon. Like and subscribe to our channel, Kikiku Kids, so we will meet soon.